The overall goal of this procedure is to demonstrate the proper daily tuning of and sample analysis on a CyTOF instrument. First, the machine is assembled and turned on. Next, the instrument settings are optimized for tuning to the maximum signal. The machine is then ready to run the samples. In the final step, the machine is cleaned and shut down. Ultimately, optimal cell data can be acquired according to specific time requirements.
Visual demonstration of this technique is critical. The daily setup, tuning, and cleaning procedures are difficult to learn from the manual as there are multiple simultaneous software steps involved. You need to gain experience to acquire a feel for the appropriate background levels and signal intensities.
At least 15 minutes prior to beginning an experiment, open the CyTOF software program and select Instrument Setup. Then, in the Card Cage tab, click the Heater On button to allow the spray chamber mantle to reach 200 degrees Celsius. Replace the syringe in the syringe pump with a fresh syringe filled with millicube water. Then clean the nebulizer by backflushing with 5% Citronox twice through each port. To remove any residual Citronox, repeat the backflush with millicube water. Next, open the argon gas tank valve, resulting in the argon light on the front of the machine turning on. Then, attach the nebulizer to the makeup gas inlet and attach the nebulizer to the liquid introduction tubing. Insert the end of the nebulizer into the white opening in the heating mantle. On the RFG Controller tab of the Instrument Setup window, click Start Plasma. Then click OK. After startup has finished, click OK again in the pop-up window. Now, turn on the syringe pump. When refilling the syringe, press the Stop button rather than the Pause button to reset the volume counter. Before calibrating the mass